Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and I wish you should be doing your best very soon. So I hope you all are enjoying our previous year question video series that is being uploaded in our YouTube channel every day. We are doing videos on all chapters on CBSE class 10 physics of from all previous year questions. Try to make use of them, right? So today I brought you one more question on current electricity chapter. The question goes like this: draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 4 1.5 volts cells and 5 ohm resistor, a 10 ohm resistor and a 15 ohm resistor and a plug key, all connected in series. Now find the electric current passing through the circuit and potential difference across 10 ohm resistor when the plug key is closed, right? So there are four 1.5 volt cells. Let us draw the diagram now. There are four 1.5 volts cells. Observe how I am drawing neatly, then you can also draw in the same way. So first I gave gaps, right? 1 2 3 4 4 gaps I gave, and the positive terminal should be larger, negative terminal should be smaller. Positive terminal should be larger, negative terminal should be smaller. Negative terminal, if it is around 25% of the positive terminal length of the positive terminal length, it will be sufficient. So 4 cells each of 1.5 volts. So mention it as 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts, and give positive negative to each cell. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So 4 1.5 cells, a 5 ohm resistor, and you can see that all are connected in series. All are connected in series means what? We can connect everything neatly like this. From here one resistance we have to take. Resistance. Resistance value is 5 ohm, and resistance polarity is negative and this is positive, and a 10 ohm resistor and a 15 ohm resistor, and from here again one 10 ohm resistor and a 15 ohm resistor and a plug key. Plug key will take this side. There is one more resistance, and here there is one more resistance. This is 15 ohm resistance and this is 10 ohm resistance, and this is plug key, and all are connected in series. Now is this circuit complete? No, circuit is not complete. You need to connect all of them in positive negative should be connected. If positive negative are not connected, then circuit will not be complete. Now this is a circuit. Now when the plug key is closed, current will pass in this direction. Now he asked you to find out the electric current passing through the circuit. This current you need to find, and also the potential difference across 10 ohm resistance here, from here to here, this voltage. This we have to find. Okay, this voltage and this current we need to find. Sir, is it correct? We have taken from negative terminal like this. 100% correct. There is no mistake at all. You can take these resistances either this side or this side. Both will mean the same thing. Okay? No need to worry at all. Generally what happens, we'll take from positive and again we'll connect resistances, then come to negative. Both are same here. There is no difference in it, right? So now let us find out the current. How to find out current? What is the formula for current? Current I will be is equal to V divided by R. V, how much voltage is there? 1.5, 1, 2, 3, 4 volts are there. So 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. Total voltage we have added. And what is the total resistance? 5, 15, 10. All are connected in series. Series means all should be added. Then it is going to be 5 plus 15 plus 10. It is going to be 6 divided by 15 plus 15, 30. 6 by 30 amperes means the current is going to be 1 divided by 5. 6 ones are 6 fives are. That will be 0.2 amperes. See, point, if you keep point, 0 will come here, 5 ones are 5 twos are 0.2 amperes. So current is 0.2 amperes. We got the current here as 0.2 amperes. It is 0.2 amperes. Now we have to find out the voltage. See, this current itself comes along the circuit. Same current is coming along the circuit, right? This current is only passing through the 10 ohm resistance. When the current passing through the 10 ohm resistances is 0.2 ohm and the resistance value is 10 ohm, how to find voltage? This is the first question answer, and now I am answering second question answer. Voltage across 10 ohm resistance. V is equal to I into R. When you are finding a voltage across any resistance, you have to take the current passing through that particular resistance only. Now we are finding the voltage across 10 ohm resistance. So we have to take the current passing through that 10 ohm resistance only. Here we have all are in series connection, so same current will be passing. But in some other question, if they ask you to find the voltage across any resistance, then you should be able to find out the current passing through that resistance only. Then only you should take that current. So what is the current passing through 10 ohm resistance now? 0.2 amperes into resistance value is 10. 0.2 into 10, it is 2 volts. So the current passing through 10 ohm resistance, or the current passing in the circuit is 0.2 amperes, and the voltage across 10 ohm resistance is 2 volts. The same question sometimes how they will ask is, what will be the reading of ammeter? If we place an ammeter here in series to the circuit, what will be the reading of the ammeter? And if we place a voltmeter across 10 ohm resistance, what will be the reading of the voltmeter? Same. Reading of the voltmeter connected across 10 ohm resistance will be 2 volts. Reading of the ammeter connected in series to the circuit will be 0.2 amperes. Okay. So this is how they will ask questions on this circuit diagram. Hope you learnt. If you are getting confused, rewatch the video, you will get clarity. It is very clear and it is very easy. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon.